A lot of times here at SS Customs, we get to work on a lot of cool rides, but by far this is one of the coolest ones that we worked on in the past couple months. This is a 1941 Plymouth Special Deluxe. And obviously it's more of a classic car, but this is retro rotted. It's got upgraded brakes, it's got an LS swap, a bunch of other things, but it still has the nostalgia feel. Paint is amazing. It's been really well upkept, but the customer started getting some rock chips. So Alfonso decided to do a full front end clear bore on this. We didn't end up doing the entire front end for the customer's request, but we did it pretty much everywhere where you're gonna get rock chips on. So all the areas that pretty much are prone are this. It's very flat face for the front end. They're typical on the old school cars. Obviously there's no pre-cut kits for this kind of stuff, so we had to do the whole install hand tailored. And Alfonso does what he does best and killed it. Take a look at the video.